Now, good morning, children. Today I will teach Children at Work Part 2, the left out pages. Now, on that day we had written all these word meanings. Now we will switch on to that page. Now, hopes. Now, when they went at the hall where the marriage was going on, Velu said that we can get food over there. Then the girl told. Hope said the girl, shaking her thumb under his nose. She led him behind the hall. There was a big garbage bin overflowing with rubbish. Now she took the girl, said the girl, shaking her thumb under his nose. Now she led him behind the hall. There was a big garbage bin overflowing. Big garbage bin overflowing with rubbish. Rubbish, the dirty things which we people throw there. Now two goats were standing on the pile fighting for a banana leaf. A cloud of flies buzzed around their legs. There was rotten smell in the air. Now there was two goats which were standing on the pile heap of dirty things fighting for a banana leaf. A cloud of flies buzzed, made sound around their legs. There was a rotten smell in the air. The girl picked up a squashy banana and held it out to Velu. Now there the girl found one squashy banana and held it out to Velu. Now squashy crushed banana. Okay. Now here your food. Velu was shocked. Are we going to eat their leftovers? Now, Che, what do you think I am? A dog? I only take untouched food. Here, some more catch. She threw him a vada. Velu looked at it with distaste. Now, then Velu told her that do you think that I am a dog? I only take touched food. Here's some more. Catch. She threw him a vada. Velu looked at it with distaste. Now again she gave him a vada and Velu looked at it with distaste. He didn't want to eat that one. Now come on, hero, eat it. You think I like it? I told you I'll find you something to eat. Don't think I have money to buy food for you. Now the girl is telling that, come on, hero, eat it. You think I like it? I told you I'll find you something to eat. Don't think I have money to buy food for you. So she's telling that I don't have any money to buy food for you. And do you think that I like all those rubbish things? You'd better eat what you get until you have your own money. Now she's telling him that you can eat whatever you get until you have your own money. Velu hesitated, but his stomach squeezed him again. Again his stomach squeezed him again. He gulped down the banana and vada. Now Velu was so hungry. First of all he hesitated, but his stomach squeezed. His stomach squeezed him again. He gulped down the banana and vada. His stomach felt better immediately, and when he took the banana and vada, his stomach felt better immediately. He could have eaten at least 10 times more. Now he was so much hungry that he would have eaten 10 times more, but the girl could find only one more banana which she ate herself. Now the girl found only one more banana and that she ate herself. It's too early. They've only eaten tiffin. If you are still hungry, you'll have to wait for them to finish lunch. Now she is telling him that it is too early. These people only have their tiffin. So if you are still hungry, you will have to wait for them to finish lunch. You can wait if you want. I have to work. I'm going. She picked up a couple of bottles from the heap and threw it into her sack. Now she is telling to Velu that if you want to wait, you can wait. And she picked up bottles, and he couple of bottles means pair of bottles from the heap, now garbage bin, and threw it into her sack. Then she walked off. Then she walked off. Velu panicked. Velu became angry. He realized that if the girl left him, he had no idea where he was and what to do. Now he realized that if the girl left him, he had no idea where he was and what to do. It was better to stick to her. Now Velu is thinking that he had no idea about the Chennai city and where he would go, so he thought that he would stick to her. She seemed to know her way round. He ran after her again. Now she seemed that she knew all the way round, so he ran after her again. A, he called. He did not even know the girl's name. Velu called her A because he did not know her name. A, what is your name? He asked, hurrying behind her. Now again he called the girl, what is your name? She stopped and turned around. Oh ho, so you've been following me around without even knowing my name. Now the girl is telling, oh ho, so you have been following me around without even knowing my name. Jaya, I'm not following you. What then? Who got you food? Now Velu is telling, I'm not following you. Then the girl is telling, what then? Who got you food? Can I come with you? Where are you going? Come if you want. This bag is full. I have to go home to get another one. Now she's telling, this bag is, if you want to come with me, you can come. This bag is full and I have to go home to get another one. So up till here for today.